We are looking at how to pronounce the name of the Swiss manufacturer and retailer of luxury watches, jewelry and accessories founded in 1860. How do you go about pronouncing it in French or in Swiss French? This name is said as Chopard. The D is silent, so do not say Chopard, but rather Chopard, but it'd be fine in English to say it as Chopard. Chopard from French, Chopard. Did you get it? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more luxury brand names whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.